Oh no, not again, when tarot cards repeat. Have you ever had readings where tarot cards repeat and seem to follow you? Have you ever had several readings or done several readings for yourself within a short span of time and had a single card or a group of cards show up repeatedly? If so, and you are ignoring them, it is possible that you are doing yourself more harm than good. Tarot cards repeat in readings because they are trying to tell you something. If you are going through a particularly rough time in your life and you're looking for guidance, the cards that are continually repeating are trying to give you that guidance that you're seeking. I briefly touched upon this in my post on court cards and their meanings. I sometimes get clients that will tell me that some of the cards I have pulled for them are the same ones that they pulled when they have read for themselves. And then they will proceed to continue talking about the reading, completely ignoring the repeating cards. In readings, when tarot cards repeat, they are very much like situations in life. In certain instances, they will keep repeating until you've grasped the message that they are trying to give you. Many times, the very message that they are giving you is the exact solution that will lead you out of the problem that you're trying to solve, enabling you to go forward in life. Your refusal to pay attention to these repeating cards is what is hindering your personal growth. The tarot is a tool to help you move forward in and to live a more balanced life. The advice and suggestions it gives should never be taken as a bad or negative thing. In essence, the tarot is like a mirror, and it's reflecting things back at you that you need to take a look at. Don't get me wrong, I know that it's hard to sometimes hear things about yourself that you may feel are embarrassing or that you don't want to face, but usually the only way to get past the obstacles you encounter in life is by dealing with those things. So when the tarot cards repeat in your reading, do yourself a favor, take notice, and act on the advice given. If I've piqued your interest and you'd like to learn more about what the tarot can do to improve your life, check out some of my other related articles or book a tarot card reading by visiting my website at theintuitivesense.com.